Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today we're going to learn how to increase consistency of a video. At this point, we already use IP adapter to increase consistency. But there is actually more way to increase it more. One of the way is to use FreeInit. FreeInit is a concise yet effective method to improve temporal consistency of videos generated by diffusion models. FreeInit requires no additional training and introduces no learnable parameters. It can be easily incorporated into arbitrary video diffusion models at inference time. And if you already have Anime diff node in your Comfy UI, it is most likely you already have FreeInit. So no need for any new installation. The link for Animate Diff Evolve GitHub I put in video description. To install a node, refer to how to install Manager for Comfy UI in video description. FreeInit is already a part of Animate Diff Evolve. The only thing you need to do is to activate it. Here, a video without using FreeInit. Now we're going to add FreeInit. First in Animate Diff Loader, drag sample setting input and a list will show up. Select sample setting. Change noise type to free noise. With free noise, we can use FreeInit. Now from iteration option in sample setting, drag and drop it so a list will show up. Select FreeInit. Select iteration into 2 or more. The more the iteration, the better, but the process will take more time. Now, let's see the result. The result is not that great. With FreeInit, it tried to generate black rubber hand to increase consistency. But it can't hold that long. I add 3 iteration, but the difference still minuscule. I think if you already have consistency handler like me, using IP adapter and a few control net using FreeInit would not really matter. But if you actually use it without any consistency handler, for example, for a simple text to video, it worked better with that. Of course, it will take twice the time. Here are an example. The result is quite consistent, but not that great. So I suggest you don't really need to use FreeInit. Better use IP adapter and control net. It works way better for consistency. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.